Hi, my name is Yuki Sesto, Sales Manager for Wexxar Bel, powered by ProMat. Today we're going to be discussing about the Bel 450 polyback inserter with top and bottom case sealer. This is a cost-effective semi-automatic solution for inserting polyback liners into cases for bulk filling. The operator takes a case plane and inserts it into the case forming jack where the minus flaps are full and the case is ready for packing. At this point, the operator is going to place the polyback liner on top of the case. The vacuum system is going to draw the polyback liner into the four corners of the box flush against the sides. Note that no hands is required for this step, which is a critical aspect for sanitary product handling. Once the case is filled, the bags and the top flaps can be closed, and the case is sent over to the sealing section where the top and bottom flaps are taped to.